What historical texts mention herpes simplex virus, HSV, and how was painful urination associated with it described? Herpes simplex virus, HSV, and its symptoms, including painful urination, have been recognized for centuries, although the understanding and terminology have evolved. Descriptions of symptoms resembling those caused by HSV can be found in various historical medical texts. Historical books that mentioned conditions related to HSV and painful urination. 1. De Medicina by Aulus Cornelius Celsus, an early Roman text that discusses skin eruptions, possibly referring to herpes. 2. Epidemics by Hippocrates, contains descriptions of sores and conditions that might be related to herpes, though the terminology differs. 3. Canon of Medicine by Avicenna. This medieval text includes references to conditions that may be akin to HSV, including painful urination. 4. Surgical Anatomy by Jacques Fabian Gautier, an 18th-century work describing various ailments, possibly including herpes-related symptoms. Facts about HSV and painful urination in historical context. 1. Descriptions of herpes-like conditions can be traced back to ancient Greek and Roman medical writings. 2. The terminology and understanding of HSV have evolved over time. Early descriptions might not directly correspond to the modern diagnosis. 3. Painful urination associated with HSV may have been described differently in historical texts, without a clear link to the virus itself. 4. Treatments for herpes-like conditions in historical times were varied and often based on limited medical knowledge. 5. The stigma associated with sexually transmitted infections, STIs, may have influenced how these conditions were recorded and treated. 6. Modern understanding of HSV, including its link to painful urination, has been developed through scientific advancements and research. 7. The study of historical texts helps shed light on early perceptions and management of HSV and related symptoms. 8. Continuous research and adherence to contemporary medical guidelines are vital for proper diagnosis and treatment of HSV today. Where to find more info? Further insights into the history of HSV can be found in scholarly texts on ancient and medieval medicine, medical history journals, and resources from academic institutions specializing in the history of medicine.